Our world is filled with remarkable places that leave travelers speechless. From the ancient to the natural, these wonders have stood the test of time, showcasing the beauty, power, and ingenuity of human civilization and nature. Today, let's explore 15 of the greatest wonders of the world, places that every traveler should visit at least once in their lifetime. Number 15. The Great Barrier Reef, Australia. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system in the world, stretching over 1,400 miles along Australia's northeastern coast. It's home to an astounding array of marine life, including 1,500 species of fish and 400 types of coral. Snorkelers and divers flock to the reef for a chance to explore this underwater paradise, though the reef is currently under threat from climate change. Number 14. The Acropolis of Athens, Greece. The Acropolis is the ancient citadel that overlooks the city of Athens, home to some of the most iconic structures of ancient Greece, including the Parthenon. Built in the 5th century BC, the Acropolis is a symbol of classical civilization and a must-visit for history lovers. Number 13. The Galápagos Islands, Ecuador. The Galápagos Islands are a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for their incredible biodiversity. Located 600 miles off the coast of Ecuador, these islands were instrumental in shaping Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. Today, the Galápagos remain a haven for wildlife enthusiasts, offering a chance to see species found nowhere else on Earth. Number 12. The Northern Lights, Norway or Iceland. The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, are a natural light display that occurs in the polar regions. Visitors to countries like Norway, Iceland, and Finland can witness this breathtaking spectacle of swirling colors in the night sky, caused by solar particles colliding with Earth's atmosphere. Number 11. Mount Everest, Nepal, Tibet. Standing at 29,032 feet, Mount Everest is the tallest mountain on Earth. It's a dream destination for mountaineers and adventurers alike, though summiting its peak is one of the most dangerous and challenging feats. Every year, thousands of trekkers visit the Everest Base Camp, soaking in the spectacular views of the Himalayas. Number 10. Iguazu Falls, Argentina, Brazil. Iguazu Falls is one of the largest and most impressive waterfall systems in the world, located on the border between Argentina and Brazil. Consisting of 275 individual waterfalls, it spans nearly 2 miles and reaches heights of over 260 feet. The deafening roar of the water and the surrounding lush rainforest make it a breathtaking natural spectacle. Visitors can explore various viewpoints on both sides of the falls, offering unique perspectives. Number 9. Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Angkor Wat is the largest religious monument in the world and a symbol of Cambodia. Built in the early 12th century as a Hindu temple, it later became a Buddhist site and remains a place of worship today. The complex's intricate carvings, massive towers, and sprawling grounds are a testament to the grandeur of the Khmer Empire. Visitors can spend days exploring its temples, including the famous Ta Prohm, where tree roots have overtaken the ancient stones. Number 8. The Grand Canyon, USA. The Grand Canyon, carved by the Colorado River over millions of years, is one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders of the world. Its immense size and dramatic vistas leave visitors speechless. The canyon stretches over 277 miles and reaches depths of over a mile. Whether you hike its rugged trails, raft along the river, or simply gaze from the rim, the Grand Canyon offers an unforgettable experience. Number 7. The Pyramids of Giza, Egypt. The Pyramids of Giza, especially the Great Pyramid, are among the most iconic symbols of ancient Egypt. Built over 4,500 years ago as tombs for the pharaohs, these monumental structures have fascinated archaeologists and travelers for centuries. Despite modern technology, the exact methods used to build the pyramids remain a mystery, adding to their allure. The Great Sphinx, a colossal limestone statue, stands guard nearby. Number 6. Christ the Redeemer, Brazil. Towering over Rio de Janeiro, from the peak of Mount Corcovado, Christ the Redeemer is a 98-foot-tall statue of Jesus Christ, with arms outstretched to embrace the city. It was completed in 1931 and is one of the new 7 wonders of the world. This symbol of Christianity offers visitors breathtaking views of the city and its iconic beaches, such as Copacabana and Ipanema. Number 5. The Taj Mahal, India. The Taj Mahal is not just a monument, it's a testament to love. Built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal. This white marble mausoleum is one of the most beautiful structures in the world. Its symmetrical gardens, intricate carvings, and delicate marble inlay work make it an architectural masterpiece. The Taj Mahal is visited by millions of people each year, especially at sunrise, when its marble glows in the golden light. Number 4. The Colosseum, Italy. Rome's Colosseum is one of the most iconic structures of the ancient world. Built in AD 80, it was the largest amphitheater ever constructed and could hold up to 80,000 spectators. The Colosseum hosted gladiatorial contests, public spectacles, and even mock sea battles. Despite centuries of wear and earthquakes, it still stands as a symbol of Roman engineering and culture. Visitors today can tour the underground chambers and learn about the gruesome events that once took place within its walls. Number 3. Machu Picchu, Peru. Often referred to as the lost city of the Incas, is nestled high in the Andes Mountains. Built in the 15th century and later abandoned, it remained hidden from the world until its discovery in 1911 by explorer Hiram Bingham. This ancient site is a testament to the Incan Empire's architectural prowess, with terraces, temples, and palaces perfectly blended into the natural landscape. Hikers often take the Inca Trail to reach this sacred city, a journey just as breathtaking as the destination. Number 2. Petra, Jordan, also known as the Rose City, is an ancient city carved into red sandstone cliffs. This UNESCO World Heritage Site was once the capital of the Nabatean Kingdom and is famous for its intricate rock-cut architecture. As you walk through the narrow Siq to reach the stunning treasury, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. Petra was only rediscovered by the West in the early 19th century, and today it attracts over 1 million visitors each year. Number 1. The Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is an architectural marvel that stretches over 13,000 miles. Originally built as a defense system to protect against invaders, today it stands as a symbol of China's rich history and resilience. Walking along its ancient stones gives you a sense of the sheer scale and ambition of the people who constructed it. Each section offers something unique, from the restored parts near Beijing to the wild, untamed sections further afield. Whether they're ancient monuments or natural masterpieces, these wonders remind us of the incredible beauty and history our world has to offer. Which of these wonders is at the top of your travel bucket list? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration.